Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Ram 1500 TRX Crew Cab in Hydro Blue. With HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, lane keep assist, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated and ventilated rear seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power tailgate release, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6939.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.